Hello students, I am Lalita and you are most welcome. Students, I hope you all are safe at your home. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 4 of civics of class 10, that is gender, caste and religion. Gender, caste and religion affect the society and politics. So in this chapter we will study about these points and how these affect the society and affect the politics. We all know very well and it is related to our society. We can look around us the live examples. So let's start. In this video, first of all, I will tell you about the gender, means sex and gender. Basically, what is the difference between sex and gender? If I ask what is difference between sex and gender, then you will tell me that both are same. But no, these both are different. How these are different? If we talk about sex, it is biological. It is biological, means natural. He is male, she is female. And if we talk about gender, it is created. It is created or constructed by society. You know about stereotype. You have read about stereotype in 6th class. So I'll tell you about stereotype, how stereotype affect the society. एक rigid image, एक fixed image कि अगर मैं आपसे कहूं, just think, if I talk about a farmer, then whose image is in your mind? Image of a male or image of a female? Which? Definitely male. But you know, about 80% of female are working. Means total labor, total workers, of total workers, 80% female are working in fields. If I talk about nurse, then image of female, but nurse is used for both male and female. If I talk about an engineer, then an image of male in your mind. If I talk about a teacher, then our primary teacher or nursery teacher image is coming in our mind. So this is stereotype. You have to take food. You have to go at your home and you have to take food. That you are saying, I'm very hungry. I'm going home and to take food. So the image of your mother will come in your mind that my mom will cook food for me, right? So we have to understand about stereotype, and stereotype basically affect the module of our society. Why are you crying like a girl? It means a boy can't cry. No. But it is stereotype. Next, we will talk about public and private differences. Before it, I am going on sexual division of labor. What is sexual division of labor? Sexual division of labor means the work done by male and female. Which work is done by male and which work is done by female. If we talk about the work done by male, today's era is of course changing. But if we talk about 1 century or 2 century before time, so that is very crucial time for women, or you can say the condition of women was very, very poor, and women did not have rights, any political right or any right. They are dominated by family members, or they are dominated by the male of the family, right? So if we talk about this question is directly asked in exam, what do you know about sexual division of labor? Means कौन क्या काम करता है, उनका जो वर्क है वो कैसे डिफरेंट है, तो इसका आपको बताना है. यहाँ अब आपको देखने की जरूरत है. Here I have written public and private. What is public and private? It is not governmental and private occupation. I am not talking about it. I am talking about it. Public is outsider work. Outsider work, and private is domestic work. I am talking about domestic work, and the work those are done outside the home. So if we talk about earner, that is male. अगर किसी आदमी को ये कहा जाए, टू पार्ट्स होते हैं. एक होता है, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट वुमेन, दे आर वेरी इमोशनल. उनका अगर हम कहें भावनात्मक पक्ष बहुत स्ट्रोंग होता है. बच्चा शरारत कर रहा है और उसके जो फादर हैं वो उसको डांटते हैं और बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली उससे बिहेवियर करते हैं. बट मदर सॉफ्टली लेट इट गो, ही विल डू, ओके, कर लेगा, वो सुधर जाएगा, वो क्यों इतना डांटा जाए बच्चे को. बट फादर इज of course called the children. So if we talk about outsider work, then it is the stereotype, of course, that women have to do the domestic work, women have to take care of their children, and men have to work outside and earn for family. So this is the basically difference between public and private work difference. सो अगर क्वेश्चन इफ ये इस तरह से पूछा जाए, सेक्सुअल डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर, तो हम वहां पे क्या कर सकते हैं, पब्लिक प्राइवेट वर्क को हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. अब एक चीज और इसमें आपको समझने वाली है कि अगर मदर वर्क कर रही है, लाइक कुकिंग फूड, वॉशिंग क्लॉथ्स एंड फॉर क्लीनिंग वर्क इन होम, सो दैट वर्क इज नॉट पेड. इफ दैट वर्क is done by man, you can say, अगर कोई आदमी उस काम को कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है वो, ऑफ कोर्स कर रहे हैं. क्यों कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो पेड है. अगर उस काम के पैसे दिए जाएं तो मैन ऑल्सो रेडी टू डू दैट वर्क. एंड यू आर लुकिंग इन योर सोसाइटी ऑल्सो many people who are male and doing the work of cooking food, they are safe, washing clothes. And if we talk about other works doing by women, of course work should be work is also done by men if it is paid. डायरेक्ट इसका मीनिंग क्या है, अगर वो वर्क और लेडी करेगी तो वो पेड नहीं है. अगर वो कोई मेल करता है तो वो, अगर वो पेड वर्क है तो वो मेल भी कर लेता है उस वर्क को. देन we will discuss about the basic differences in sexual division of labor, that is quality and quantity work. Quality and quantity work, you have to learn about it. Difference between the quality and quantity work, difference between pay for the quality and quantity work. Are you getting my point? Means if that work is done by a housewife or a lady of home or mother or sister, that is not paid. If you need a paid worker, so male also including in that work, that is sexual division of work. Next we will talk about feminist movement, that is most important and mostly asked in exam. What do you know about feminist? Feminist, like some people are saying that you are very feminist. Means, what do you mean by feminist? Means who believe in equal rights for male and female, who believe in equal rights, or who raised voice for female rights also. That is feminist movement, and this movement was basically raised by the women group for their rights, for their social rights, for their political rights, not for means you can say that if the system is patriarchal society. Patriarchal society means ये जो फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट था ये अगेंस्ट पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी था. पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी होती क्या है? पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी वो सोसाइटी है जहां पे मेल डोमिनेटेड है. एंड यू कैन से, यू कैन डिफाइन इट लाइक दिस, दैट पेट्रियार्कल सोसाइटी इज अ सिस्टम male dominated society is there, or rule of father, right? Rule of father or society values the male and allowed male to dominate woman or female, right? So here we have to understand about feminist movement that is against patriarchal society. फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट, एक क्वेश्चन आता है कि फेमिनिस्ट मूवमेंट को आप अच्छा कैसे कह सकते हो? बाकी तो आप कहते हो कि बहुत ज्यादा जो भी मूवमेंट है वो कहीं ना कहीं सही नहीं है, कास्टिज्म सही नहीं है, और अगर रिलीजन के बेसिस पे हम बात करें तो कम्युनिज्म भी सही नहीं है. देन हाउ कैन यू से दैट फेमिनिज्म इज करेक्ट, फेमिनिज्म इज राइट? हाउ कैन यू से? दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो आस्क्ड इन एग्जाम. Then you can give the answer like this, that feminist casteism support the particular caste and communism support the particular religion, but feminism do not support female. It is the feminism is the raising voice for equal rights for male and female. यहां कोई भी ना तो अब फीमेल ये थोड़ी कह रही है कि हमें मेल से ज्यादा दर्जा दो, मेल से ज्यादा रखो. शी इज टेलिंग दैट आई नीड माई राइट्स, आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू डेवलप माई सेल्फ. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इन आवर सोसाइटी यू कैन सी सोसाइटी इज ऑफ कोर्स डेवलपिंग, एंड many women are scientists, doctors, managers, teachers, professors, are doing very well in many fields. Of course, they are pilot, they are train driver, or you can say they are doing. Of course, they are doing very well in space and research work. Many women are examples are there. Okay. Then we will talk about the problems facing by women. I think यहां तक आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा. इसके बाद हम बात करते हैं कि कौन कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं जो विमेन फेस कर रही हैं, या क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट इस तरह से पूछा जाता है, what are the problems or disadvantages, discrimination and oppressions in different ways facing by the women. Okay. Or in what ways women face disadvantage, discrimination and oppression in the society. So we will discuss about it. If we talk about low literacy rate, you know very well in India, if we talk about literacy rate is very very low. That is only 54% according to your book. If we talk about 54% for women, and what's about men? It is 76%. It is 76% for male. So why this difference? In many areas, parents are not allowed to do not allow their girls to go outside to get education, and sometimes the girls drop out their education for many reasons. Okay, बहुत कम गर्ल्स होती हैं जो अपनी स्टडी को कंटिन्यू कर पाती हैं, अपनी स्टडी को आगे तक ले जा पाती हैं. और इसके बाद जो लिटरेसी रेट है वो इसीलिए कम है. कुछ जैसे मैंने स्टेरियोटाइप की बात की, लोगों के माइंड में ये होता है कि मेन को बाहर जाके अर्न करना है. दैट इज सो एजुकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर बॉय. ओके, एंड फीमेल हैव टू डू देयर डोमेस्टिक वर्क्स. So they do not need to go outside and to take education. This is stereotype in society. Exceptional are always there. So I'm not talking about exceptions. I'm talking just about our society and just about many people are thinking. So next we will discuss about low proportion. If this question is asked, you have to write direct only these 6 points and explain in 2 or 3 sentences each point. Definitely this question is asked of 5 marks or 3 marks. This is very important question of 5 marks and 3 marks. And secondly, we will discuss about low proportion in jobs, in high paid jobs. In हाई पेड जॉब्स मीन्स बहुत ज्यादा प्रोपोर्शन लेडीज का नहीं होता, फीमेल का नहीं होता. जो हाई पेड जॉब्स होती है उनमें मेल को ज्यादा प्रायोरिटी दी जाती है, दैट दे कैन मोर अवेयर अबाउट देयर जॉब्स एंड दे कैन डू इफ दे हायर अ वुमेन, so they know about it that women have to do their household works also with their job. So basically in high paid jobs many authorities or many organization mostly choose male male. Next, if we talk about sex ratio is very concerning point of our nation, of our country like India, because it is declining. Sex ratio is very concerning, is a topic of concern, a topic of anxiety, because our according to our census 2011, our sex ratio is only 940 on 1000. मीन सेक्स रेशियो होता क्या है, पर 1000 मेल पे कितनी फीमेल है, पर 1000 मेल हैं उनके साथ जो एक प्रोपोर्शन है, एक जो पॉपुलेशन है उनमें पर 1000 मेल पे कितने फीमेल हैं, दैट इज सेक्स रेशियो. एंड इंडिया सेक्स रेशियो इज ऑफ कोर्स वेरी बैड. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट स्टेट हरियाणा, हियर इज the condition is very critical. Here the sex ratio is below than 800 also. Okay, next we will discuss about if we have to increase this sex ratio or we have to maintain, we have to improve in this sex ratio. We have to educate the girls, we have to respect the female, and we have to understand about their rights and to do some extra efforts for female. Right, Kerala is the state where the sex ratio is very good, and this is the reason, the main reason is their health conditions and female their thinking for female. They know about their rights, they follow the rules and regulations, they give the rights to female as well as male. Next, if we talk about low wages मीन्स जो मजदूरी जिसको कहते हैं आप, पर डे अर्निंग. फीमेल अगर काम करती है, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट सैलरी और वेजेस, बोथ वी कैन राइट हियर सैलरी एंड वेजेस. इफ द बोथ वर्क फॉर सेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, फॉर same work if they are doing, but female work is considered less paid. Female get less paid than male. Why? It is very bad, because of course Equal Wages Act is also passed, and in exam one question is asked which Equal Wages Act is passed. That is Remuneration Act. That is Remuneration Act. Remuneration Act was passed in 1976. According to this act, male and female both have to be paid equally. दोनों को इतना ही इक्वल वेज दिया जाएगा if they are doing equal work. Next, if we talk about domestic violence, here domestic violence you can say about harassment, you can talk about beaten women or means exploitation of women. In any ways, domestic violence means torture of women physically or mentally. Okay, right, that is of course in our society, including in our society, and it is very bad. If we have to improve the condition of female, we have to stop domestic violence, and many acts has been passed against domestic violence. It is illegal. Next, if we talk about property inheritance, of course in 2005 an act is passed, that is Hindu Succession Act. In this act, female can also have the property share of her parents equal to her brother. Okay, next, if we talk about solution, so I will discuss about solution, how these problems can be solved. We will discuss in next video. So till then, thank you. Have a good day ahead.